Hello, in this video I'll show you how to remove the front bumper on Opel Corsa D. To remove the front bumper, first we need to remove the bolts that hold the undershoot to the front bumper. We need to remove the bolts on top of the bumper, the bolts on the other undershoot, and there's a couple of bolts on the bottom of the bumper. First we start by removing the bolts for the undershoot, and then there is another bolt that holds the bumper to the wing that we need to remove. Next, we'll remove the bolts that hold the bumper on the bottom. If the video is useful, consider subscribing to the channel and give the video a thumbs up. And on top. Now that we've removed all the bolts, we can remove the bumper. Now that the bumper is removed, there is a couple of connectors that we need to disconnect, and afterwards we can take out the